In this interview series, Rick Stiggins, founder and president of the Assessment Training Institute and Classroom Assessment Authority, promotes the effective use of formative assessment to support student learning success. He does so by answering a series of 11 questions posed to him by the Alberta Assessment Consortium. How do we deal with society's compelling desire to use assessment to rank and sort students, schools, and jurisdictions?
This obsession comes from actually the history of the institutional mission of schools, which has historically been to begin the process of sorting students into the various segments of our social and economic system. It also arises from a kind of a behavior management way of thinking about how to motivate learning. It's based on the belief that we can motivate greater effort by rewarding it when it succeeds, and we can overcome failure by intimidating, embarrassing, and punishing it for those who fail. What we need for our societies, for our communities and policymakers to understand is that the mission of schools is evolving rapidly. It used to be the case that that it was okay if half the student population give up in hopelessness because they finish low in the rank order or drop out. But that's not okay anymore. What we now understand that we need is to produce lifelong learners who are able to maintain control over their own social and economic well-being in a rapidly changing society. The technological explosions, the economic changes that are happening, the multiple diversity cultures that we live in change so fast that what we need is universal, across the board, is universal lifelong learners. Every student, this is what we mean when we say leave no child behind or every student succeeds. It means become lifelong learners and ready to live in a rapidly changing world. We can't have major segments of our student population giving up in hopelessness because they fail to develop those essential lifelong learner proficiencies. So merely separating the winners from the losers is no longer sufficient. It's not that it's inappropriate. We're going to be ranking students probably for the foreseeable future, but it's insufficient in terms of ensuring that everybody leaves school with the skills they need to survive in a rapidly changing society. We need to replace intimidation and anxiety due to failure with the use of success to build student confidence. And that's what formative assessment is all about.